Welcome to your private 1.44-acre mini homestead with endless possibilities. This unique property offers the perfect blend of updated modern comforts and hobby farming. The main home features an open floor plan with 3 spacious bedrooms, 1.5 beautifully remodeled bathrooms, including an updated jacuzzi tub, and a cozy wood-burning fireplace, with partial mount Rainier views. Cook in style in the sleek gourmet kitchen boasting quartz counters and stainless steel appliances, fresh paint, new carpet, newer windows and a new electric furnace offer absolute peace of mind. The sprawling exterior is built for functionality and flexibility, offering new rock parking areas and excellent curb appeal. The outbuildings are a rare find, with fully fenced play yard. There is a 800 square feet building that has a 300 square feet shop and 500 square feet living space and new roof, a 2-car garage with large loft, plus an enclosed RV carport, an additional 2-year-old cabin complete with power, a deck, and loft. The grounds are a true homesteader's dream. You'll enjoy a lush, partially fenced yard with 3 chicken coops, a 28 by 22 garden, a greenhouse, and cozy fire pits. Start harvesting immediately with mature blueberry bushes, grapevines, apple trees, and a strawberry patch. Having successfully operated as a daycare for 9 years, this versatile setup is ideal for a home